Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a house tour of Tokaboka. So first of all, this is my character. She looks really cute. She's supposed to be wearing that. Okay, so she has this little cute dog. She did a Christmas hat. I don't know why he was wearing that. But anyways, so this is his bed. We don't want him snoring while I'm doing the video, so this is her bedroom. She has shelves to keep her clothes and her items and stuff. And her baby and her dogs. Sorry, I don't know why I said baby. And her dog's toys and stuff. And here she has over here she has sunglasses and hats and stuff. And so this is her bedroom and and she has slime over here. Really cool. I don't know. So this is her living room. She has this really cute couch. I think I might change the couch to the red one. You know that red one? Should I do it? Oh, that's smaller. That is definitely smaller. Okay, I definitely realize that, but I mean, let's still go on with the video. So that's just a really cute table. And in the end of the video, I'll show you this really cute lamp. This really cute tree, how to get it. I'll show you in the end of the video. And this is her pet, chair, and this is her pet bed. It's basically the same thing, but it can be used, Yeah. So this is her kitchen. She has a double fridge. She also has this coffee machine thingy that she got from the apartment. Excuse me, I can't place that back. Okay, anyways, we're still gonna keep going on with the video. And there's this really cute tray. You can put you can put this and this on it, and it looks really cute. I'll show you in the end of the video how to get it. Also, it's also with the tree in the same place. So yeah. And lastly, there's the bathroom. She has a shower and stuff. Why is the shampoo not here? And she has a toilet, of course. She has cute face masks. She has 4 of them. She has this mermaid tail, bikini, and not a bikini, a swimsuit, another swimsuit, and another swimsuit, and a lot. When I say a lot of, she has these spa stuff. Yeah. She has this really cute shower. Yeah, so that's the end of the house tour. So guys, you could see how the cute tree and the cute tray. That was a voice crack right there. So the tree, you're gonna find it in this place where I placed the box. You're gonna find it over there. There's gonna be these weird stuff on it. I just, kind of organized this place. I don't know why. And you just basically take it out, And for the tray, you're gonna find it somewhere in here. Yeah, the tray is gonna be over here. With these lightning thingies, it's gonna be there, like that. That's where I got mine from. So you may not have it there, I think, but I mean, yeah, you should try. I'll show you what decorations it was on, so you could just know. Yeah, they had this decoration like this, and this one. So I just took them off, and it looked really cute. I mean, you should try it. So let me just clean all those up. Because to be honest, I don't know why, but I like it clean in here. I don't like it messy. I mean, yeah, you should probably go check it out. Yeah, that's it. And I want to show you a secret. You know, you can find this over here and find this over here. Yeah, that's it. And another secret. Here's your character. Look, you can let your character slide. Look. It's really cool. And one last secret. There's this place over here. You can get this outfit and, I don't really like it though, but some people really like it. The boys may like it. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.